This is the final video to fix Surface 7 laptop overheating above 90 degrees Celsius while gaming. And if you've been struggling with your laptop getting too hot, you're in the right place. Are you seeing your Surface 7 reach 90 degrees Celsius or more every time you play a game? This happens because the laptop's cooling system can't keep up with heavy gaming, and dust or poor ventilation makes it worse. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, or require expensive tools. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that cools your laptop fast without breaking anything. All you need is a small adjustment inside Windows and a free tool that helps manage your CPU and GPU heat efficiently. If you want to show every single step in a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you.